Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models, and the good folks in the brown truck brought me something this afternoon. Another club exclusive, and you know a lot of you guys that watch this don't get to get one of these because you're not in the club, and that's why I show what's in the club kits, because I want to interest you guys and see some of the cool stuff that we're doing and we're getting. So let's take a look and we'll see what's inside, even though I can't say it. The Buddy Arrington 1973 Chrysler Plymouth exclusive to the Builders Club. Okay, so here we are, Buddy Arrington's, why can I not say that right? Buddy Arrington's 1973 Chrysler Plymouth. So that means Roadrunner kids and pets. So the first thing is showing off the new donut box. They're getting a little bit better. I do love the packaging on. The prints are so much nicer, so much cleaner. They do fit nice. And now we've got on the bottom, we've got all your the stuff about the Builders Club. Funny, since this is a Builders Club kit. The legal stuff, tools you might need if you're new to what we're doing, and then this is something that I've wanted and some of you guys have wanted for a long time, and that is paint list. What paints are you gonna need once you get into it? And for when you're buying stuff at the store, being able to look on the box and say, oh, I'm gonna need such and such, like Italian red. Italian, could that be a Ferrari red? Yep. Semi-gloss black, etc. So you can either paint it, you can spray it, whatever, and so you get those. And there you go. So let's see what color we shot it in. We did shoot it in the red. So there you go. There's the red. It's it could do with being a little bit shinier, but you know what? If you hit this with a clear gloss, it's going to be nice and shiny. So there we go. There's that Roadrunner body. Round and squishies. Yeah, they're round and... Ooh, these things aren't very squishy. They're kind of hard, but they are round. There's our clears. There's our chassis that I know some of you guys complain about that, but you know what? It fits all of our 125th scale kits. So there's those. There's metallic stuff for the engine parts, etc. And here's other internals. The other internals, there's your hood, there's your grills and stuff. Yeah, you are going to need to do, let's look at that hood. You are going to need to do a little chrome painting on, but you know what? It's for some of these, it doesn't, it's the chrome paints have become so good. It's kind of a waste of time and money on our part to chrome stuff. Some of you guys love it, some of you guys hate it, but the chrome paints have become so good that yeah, a can of Revell is expensive, but how many cars are you going to get out of that? Probably quite a few kits. So anyway, there's those. So yeah. Now the important stuff. Let's get this box out of the way. Here comes the important stuff. I like that Clay did that with the font. That's cool. Oh, this comes open like a road map. Oh. So here's the big thing inside, and the decals. Let's see if I can get that a little closer. Does it focus? Nah, doesn't focus. It's focusing here. But they look all nice and crisp and clean. And yeah, Clay always does a great job. And you know how I always tell him what a wonderful decal designer he is. He never tells me what a wonderful model car designer I am. Oh well, he's probably right. Keep me humble. So there we go. Yeah, this is cool. I haven't seen the new way of printing stuff. This is kind of cool. Nice big sheet. There's your decal placement and your colors. Very cool. And I do love the old 1970s font. That's cool. So, oh, this is good because it opens up and you get some bigger page details. Yeah, I like that. Ooh, and it shows. Where did I lose it? Where did it show? I thought I saw the. Yeah, maybe I didn't. Maybe I lost my mind and was seeing things. I thought I saw the plaid decals going on the seat. Evidently not. So anyway, hey, that's pretty cool. Nicely done, Mr. Kemp, and it folds up a whole heck of a lot easier than a old road map. So there you go with a quick look inside of the Buddy Arrington. I got it right that time. Buddy Arrington 1973 Roadrunner, and something cool for the builders clubbies. The clubbies, not just the plasticados, you clubbies, get that. Those should be shipping in. That is the kit of the month for July. That should be shipping pretty soon. So one of the reasons some of you guys may or may not like the donut box, but one of the things about the donut box is the printing. It allows us to print on the bottom that we never could before. So you get that option, but it will allow for us to do shorter runs. So the goal is we're going to be producing more kits per month. You'll have more options per month, 3, maybe even 4 Cup cars, NASCAR cars a month. We'll always have a classic, and then we'll have the other new cars. So we'll always have those different options. Many of those classics, 4 or 5 a year, are going to be club exclusives, but we'll have classics every month because not everybody likes the current cup cars. Some people still like to build the 70s and 80s cars, and we're happy to do it. We had one. I think my box is over back there. We did Ronnie Thomas a month or two ago. We've had Ronnie on the Tuesday night club show. We've had him on the Saturday morning show. We've had a blast with him. We're going to have him on at least one more time, and he's going to go through his little bit of a museum of his stuff and his career, and we'll have some pictures and videos and of that. But these smaller runs are allowing us to do that, to be able to pull in and do kits of guys that have never been done before. And if we had to do 500 or 1,000 of them, we may never sell them out, but we can sure do the smaller runs that we're doing. So what we did with the Ronnie Thomas kit is now we have a little Ronnie Thomas posed just like what's in front of on the cover. I'm going to be doing more and more of these figures, hopefully, of a lot more of these older classic drivers with their permission, of course. So keep your eyes open for those. I also have other stuff, Jim at salvino.us. If you want to add a figure with whatever you're building, I have a lot of them, and a few of them are sold on our Salvinos J R Models website. But you know what? It all goes to helping the function here, and you know what? Makes your kits better. You know what? I'm going to grab something. With the wonders of digital editing, this is the Ronnie Thomas kit, sold out, but there's the little figurine. So hopefully we'll be doing more of those. We had Joey Arrington, the son of Buddy Arrington, on our show a couple Saturdays ago. It was a blast. We'll probably have him on some more. And what is neat is they know other old drivers that they can get in contact with some of these other old drivers that we can get them involved, and we can do some of those kits. Guys that the collectors have been wanting kits made of for years. You may have been able to get aftermarket decals. Now you're going to get them from us, and hopefully even get some of the guys on for the show. It's been a blast. So check us out live on Saturday mornings, right here on YouTube at 9 a.m. Central. And sometimes our shows are live, sometimes they're recorded, but whether they're recorded or not. My butt is right here in this chair, and I'm answering questions and taking comments and stuff like that. So join us. And hey, thank you for building Salvinos J R Models. And take a look at our website, salvinosjrmodels.com. Take a look at the Builders Club. See about getting in, because it's a kit a month every month. You get the kit, you get an extra set of decals for the kit, you get another set of decals for something, you get a sticker, you get part of the Tuesday night meeting. You end up meeting 400 and something odd different builders from literally all over the world that are now in the club. It's a great thing. It's a great deal. It's the kit of the month costs you pretty much the retail price, and it includes shipping at that price. And then any other kits you want, you can add them on for free shipping, and you get a discount on the kits. It's a great deal. Take a look. If you build stock car kits every month, look into it. It's a great deal, and you meet some really cool guys. So once again, thanks, Rick Salvino and myself. Thank you for buying our stuff, following our stuff. Click a like and a subscribe down below. Mia would appreciate.